everybody. For today's video, I splurged on myself. It was my birthday on September 10th, and DanessaMyricks came out with the Lightwork 4 palette on the 13th, and you got to see this palette. It is gorgeous, and I did it. I did it. So I haven't opened it up. I was waiting to unbox it with you guys. If it's the first time on her website, she asks you if you want to sign up for emails for when she comes out with stuff, and when you say yes, you put your email in, then it pops up to if you want to get text notifications, and it said you can get 15% off your first order. So I did, and it worked out that I got $20 off of this. It's a $125 palette. I know, I can't believe I did it, but it was my birthday, and my mom sent me birthday money, so I did it. But it's beautiful. It's me in a palette, and honestly, the price isn't bad for how many you get. It's stunning. Plus, shipping took a long time. Well, if you ordered it off of her site in the first 24 hours, you got free multichrome applicators. It's like 7, I don't know if they're silicone or if they're sponge. I really haven't seen them yet, but they should be in here. I ordered it off her site in the first 24 hours, but I didn't know that you had to add it to the cart, so technically I waited to get it off her site so I could get them, and then I saw on one of her lives that you have to add it to the cart to get them, so I emailed them, and they said because everything is taking so long for shipping, they were going to send them for free. And then because shipping took so long, because this came out the 13th, and I just got this 2 days ago, but because it took so long, she sent a code for $25 off your next order. So, I mean, 25 plus the brushes were 15, so that's 25, 30, $40 off. So you're talking like 80, $125, $85 for a $125 palette. So when I ordered it at the right time. So, because I was really nervous about spending $125, but technically it was actually $85. But let's get into this. So here it is. I'm going to cut it. So there's the package. It comes like this. The first thing in here is Vision Cream Cover samples. That's cool. You can try it before you buy it. And then when you flip it over, it's just your order receipt. And then, oh, wow. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. And then there's like Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, like a little booklet. And when you open it up, it comes with 3 stickers, Lightwork 4, DanessaMyricks, and Transcend Beauty. And then there's a DanessaMyricks one. And then there's a sample for Main Squeeze and Juice Boost Yummy Skin. I don't know if everybody else got these because I didn't see anybody show them, but there's a little postcard. Then there's the DanessaMyricks Beauty Lightwork Volume 4 Transcendence palette, and it tells you about it. I'm going to keep this right here because when I'm showing it to you, I can explain it to you. Then the award-winning Infinite Chrome Flakes, which I have one. That I think I got on Macari. No, maybe not. I don't know where I got it. And then Color Fix. And then the booklet just... I didn't know all this stuff came in here. And then it just shows you, I guess, how to order it. How do you balm powder and just a little booklet. So that's cool. I'm going to put this back in the bag. I'm excited about this because I actually do want to try her foundation. Just scared that the color I get will be wrong. And then this is how she comes. And then these, they're called amplifiers. This is what you get free if you order in the first 24 hours. If not, I think they're 15 bucks. I'm so excited. Look how pretty she is. I didn't even take her out yet, and she's gorgeous. I mean, look at the detail. So pretty. I didn't get my hands on the Volume 3. I really wanted it, but it sold out, and I couldn't make up my mind because, again, the price tag was $125. But then I saw it on Macari, and people went over like $200 for it. And here is the same as the cover. And then when you open it up, she does have a mirror. But look at her. Oh my god. Isn't she gorgeous? The colors are on the palette. And then on here it tells you what kind, like velvet chromes, aqua chromes, pressed multichrome flakes, and then the top row and the bottom row are velvet chromes. The two in the middle are pressed chrome flakes, and then the outer two are aqua chromes. But I'm going to do some swatches for you. I'm going to start with the velvet chromes, and the first one I'm going to do is Trance. Let's see if I can see it better on my finger. Does it say what colors? It says ultra chromatic, color shifting, velvety smooth powders, and they are very soft. But I mean, look how much is still on my finger. And then Nirvana. You see. And also on the back it shows you the color story. But and then this one's going to be a ultra reflective dazzlers with a glass-like shine, and it's called Divinity. Maybe the light was better. Trying to see where the light's better, sorry. Hold on. I have 6 cents. Aren't these beautiful? Put some more Divinity on it. These are gorgeous. And then we have Out of Body. Look at that, one swipe. And it's weird because from right here it looks blue. I don't know if you can. It's just like one way it looks blue and then green. Look out. One swipe. I don't know. Trying to. I'm not good at trying to get the shift, but I mean, even just the pigment alone. And then we have Zen. I mean, one swipe goes from green to gold. And then we have Angels, which is a glass metallic. And then, I'm going to wipe my hands off. Trying not to wipe them off with wet wipes because my fingers will be still wet, and I had a problem with doing swatches one time because my fingers were still wet. Then we have Trippy, which is one of the velvet chromes. Isn't that cool? And then we have Escapism. Look how much is still on my finger. And then Awakening. See how it changes to purple, blue? Isn't that crazy? And then we have the two middle ones, which are pressed chrome flakes. These are like better than I thought they'd be. I mean, they're amazing. And I barely even took any out of, I mean, I had one swipe, and I tried not to even press hard. Okay. And the first one, and these are pressed chrome flakes, our best-selling infinite chrome flakes in a pressed cream, ultra metallic, multi-tonal formula. The first one, see, the two middle ones. But look at how just even in there. This heaven. And then the second one is Paradise. They said you have to like rub them for a little bit to get them melted because of how they're pressed. They didn't want it to break in shipment. Let me put a little bit more. I'm not good at swatching. I have the last two, which are aqua ones. I don't know if you can do it without. No, you try rubbing them, nothing comes off. I'll insert a picture of those just because I haven't played with them yet. I know you're supposed to add a couple drops of water. They're even like in a special pan. The pans are different so that the water doesn't stay in them. The pans are different so that the water will run towards the outside. But again, I don't know if you're supposed to remove them somehow or so I don't. I'll put in swatches of what those would look like. But yeah, even the other one you have to let it. I just don't want to. I want to play with it for a little bit, but I will insert what the aqua ones look like. But I am obsessed. I mean, all of those are just one swipe. And the film doesn't do it justice at all. I mean, just when I go like this, the colors that I see aren't the colors that you see. But it's beautiful, and I'm glad I got it, and I'm glad I got the discounts. But yeah, if you haven't ordered from her, and you go on her website, and you sign up for newsletters, and then they ask you if you want text notifications, say yes, and you'll get, it's like, I think it was like $19 off, which is basically $100, and then, like I said, we got the free brushes. Oh, free brushes. I think, because I get to meet Crystal tomorrow, and then we're going to hang out, and I want to play with these while we're hanging out, so you'll probably see more of it, and by then maybe I'll know how to do the aqua ones. I guess you have to cut it. Cute little bag. It says, press, swirl, swipe. Amplify your multichrome and metallic textures with no fallout and maximum color shifting payoff. Create full shapes and lines with our duochrome water-activated pigments. Create fluid shapes and lines with our duochrome water-activated pigments using our eyeliner brush. And then it just has a, what do you call it, like a zipper thing. And then you have, I think it's 7, yeah, 7. You have one like that shape. And you have one that's angled. I think they're silicone brushes. And then a flat one. And then an angled flat. And then this is the liner one. And it's an actual brush, this one. But it's a good brush. And then, and those were a free gift. So, you tell me what you think down in the comments. Do you think it was worth it? I think they still sell my, I know 24 hours before they had them on DanessaMyricks' site. They had them on Sephora, but they didn't have the free brush set with it. But I think they're still available. There are limited edition, but I think they're still available. So, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think it was worth it. I think it's a great birthday present to myself. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider staying. Also, if you could hit that bell so you get notified every time that I upload. And if you could have a wonderful day. Love you guys.